Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus Nord with a cool, amazing damage on the display, and we're gonna replace it. Let's do it. So like all other repairs here in the shop, we're gonna start with the back cover. We're gonna remove this, and there's an adhesive, so we're gonna try to be careful on this one. Take our time not to damage the back cover itself because it looks pristine, and of course all the internals. And right here we're almost there. We're just gonna clear some cables, and this is now off. Now we're gonna proceed to the removal of screws on the daughterboard shroud. This is a cover. So the motherboard is on top, and then battery, and then this daughterboard, which houses the connector for the display. This is the replacement display. We're gonna test it out first. So David is now pushing the power button, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It needs a few tries. Sometimes the smartphone is also 0% battery, so you have to recharge it, but it seems to be fine right here. It's also registering touch, which is a good sign. So we're now gonna proceed to the full disassembly. We're gonna remove this SIM card tray and of course this daughterboard, so that we can freely remove this defective screen. So just like how we remove the back cover, we're gonna remove this slowly, and although we're not gonna reuse this, we're still gonna preserve the internals that are attached to the display. So right here it's off. We're gonna clean off the old adhesives to make room for the replacement one, because we're gonna apply our own fresh glue. So this is not a guarantee that it will have the same water resistance, but it will hold on to your screen with 100% reliability. So if you have plans to DIY this repair on your own OnePlus Nord, then try to think again if you have the tools and of course the adhesive to reinstall or install new parts. So right here we're gonna reverse the process we have taken a while ago. We're gonna install the daughterboard and its shield or shroud. So you can see that we're just fast forwarding the process so that you will not be bored. And as you can see here, we have a problem. And this screen is working, but it seems to be not fitting nicely on the chassis, and we have confirmed that the chassis is bent. So we're gonna reverse all the process and install and reinstall the replacement display that we have installed a while ago. So we have removed it. Fortunately, the glue is not yet dry, so we're gonna clean it off. So David, with his meticulous process, is doing it. We have skipped it over so that you will not be bored. And then here it is, reapply of fresh glue, and then the reapplication of the replacement display. So that was so tedious, but we guarantee that all our repairs will be robust and will give you great performance, just like a brand new smartphone would give you. So right here we're gonna reinstall all the connectors, SIM card tray, and of course screws, and your daughterboard shroud. So this is almost done, and the display is sitting pretty nicely on the chassis. So voila, it's good, it's fixed, and we all have to put back the back cover and we're done. It's completely done. So if you have a OnePlus Nord in your house that needs a screen replacement and you need it for class or communication in this lockdown, or you want to have an extra phone for your kid, then head out to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and we'll fix it for you. So we're gonna test the buttons, screen, sensors, cameras, everything, just to make sure that we have a working smartphone for the client. So touch is pretty good. Google Assistant is activating, and we're just gonna shut it down and let the glue dry and put some temporary rubber bands on it to make the glue or the adhesive cure and dry up. And we're gonna try to recharge it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to our channel if you like this video. We upload a lot of videos, repair videos on exotic or common smartphones that you can see, and we're happy to help this customer. Till next time, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.